Welcome back. We're thrilled to have you join us again as you continue your journey toward financial empowerment with Fiscal Lens. If you followed the Fiscal Lens Focus syllabus, you've already built a solid foundation, tracking your spending, creating a budget, and setting meaningful long-term goals for your financial future. That was Phase 1, awareness. You've learned to see where your money goes and how your habits shape your financial health. Now, Phase 2 is all about action and optimization. It's time to take what you've learned and put it into practice, making your money work smarter for you. It's time to put your money on autopilot, making it work for you, not the other way around. Imagine your finances running smoothly, even when you're not thinking about them. We're diving into smart saving systems powered by artificial intelligence. These tools are designed to help you save more, invest wisely, and reduce stress. Imagine a financial assistant that never sleeps, never forgets, and always works in your best interest. It's like having a team of experts in your pocket, 24/7. This isn't science fiction. It's available to anyone with a smartphone. No matter your background or experience, these tools are accessible and easy to use. Many people struggle with consistency. It's easy to start strong, but life's distractions can quickly get in the way of your best intentions. Life gets busy, and even the best plans can fall apart. Between work, family, and unexpected events, it's tough to stay on track. Automation is your secret weapon. By setting up automatic transfers and investments, you remove the guesswork and make progress without constant effort. It removes human error and emotion, making saving and investing automatic. You'll build wealth steadily, even if you forget to check in every day. Think of it as a subscription service for your future wealth. Just like your favorite streaming service, your savings and investments keep growing in the background. Consistency is the key to long-term financial success. Small, regular actions add up to big results over time. Shift your mindset. Saving and investing shouldn't be chores. They should run in the background, smoothly and efficiently, freeing you to focus on what matters most. We'll show you how AI-powered tools make this possible, turning complex strategies into simple, automated actions that fit seamlessly into your life. This is how you build momentum, see real growth, and achieve financial clarity, the Fiscal Lens way. Let's get started on this exciting next phase together. What is financial automation? It's setting up your money to move automatically without constant input. Think automatic transfers to savings on payday or scheduled bill payments. Automation creates a reliable flow for your money and makes your life easier. Our emotions often sabotage our financial plans. Automation acts as a guardrail. It frees up mental energy and reduces stress. Most people save what's left after spending. Automation flips that. You save first, then spend the rest. This simple shift ensures you always save, not just hope to. Automation is about paying yourself first, every time. That's the foundation of consistent financial growth. Here's where AI takes automation to the next level. AI-powered tools analyze your income and spending, adapting to your life in real time. Forget manual spreadsheets. AI categorizes your spending and spots trends you might miss. It's your financial watchdog, giving you clarity without the hassle. For investing, AI-driven robo-advisors build and manage diversified portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance. No need to pick stocks or time the market. The AI does it for you. It also rebalances your portfolio automatically, keeping your risk in check. This disciplined, automated approach maximizes long-term returns. You get professional-level management, minus the complexity. AI makes smart financial decisions for you, 24/7. That's the power of automation plus intelligence. Knowledge isn't the problem, behavior is. AI-powered reminders and nudges help you build positive habits. These aren't generic notifications, they're personalized prompts based on your real spending. Got a refund? The app suggests putting it toward your goals, turning found money into savings. Progress tracking and milestone celebrations keep you motivated. If you overspend, the app offers helpful, actionable suggestions. These smart nudges make saving feel like a game you can win. Over time, they gently guide you toward better financial health. Let's see these innovative ideas in action with real-world apps that are transforming how we manage our money every day. Acorns, for example, rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change automatically, making investing effortless and accessible for everyone, even if you're just starting out. The average user invests over $30 a month just through roundups, and over time, these small amounts can grow into tens of thousands of dollars, thanks to the power of compounding and consistent saving. Digit takes a different approach by analyzing your cash flow and automatically saving small amounts you won't even notice are gone, helping you build a safety net without any extra effort. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use advanced AI to build and manage your investment portfolio, tailoring strategies to your goals and risk tolerance, all with just a few taps. Features like tax loss harvesting, once reserved for the wealthy or professional investors, are now available to everyone, helping you keep more of your returns and optimize your taxes. These apps make sophisticated financial strategies simple, automatic, and stress-free, so you can focus on living your life while your money works for you in the background. You don't need to be a financial expert. Just set your goals, answer a few questions, and let the AI handle the rest, guiding you towards smarter decisions every step of the way. Automation and AI are democratizing wealth-building tools, making them accessible to people from all walks of life, not just those with financial backgrounds. The future of finance is truly in your pocket, empowering you to take control of your financial journey, anytime and anywhere. Ready to start? Here's your action plan for making your money work for you, even while you sleep. First, automate your savings at your bank. Set up a recurring transfer right after payday, even if it's just $25. This simple step ensures you pay yourself first, before you have a chance to spend it elsewhere. Next, pick an AI-powered app that fits your goals. Acorns is great for micro-investing your spare change, while Digit helps you save automatically based on your spending habits. Or consider a robo-advisor for long-term investing. These platforms build and manage a diversified portfolio for you, so you don't have to stress about picking stocks. Don't overthink it. Choose one tool and get started today. The hardest part is taking that first step, but it gets easier with practice. Connect your accounts and set specific, meaningful goals, like saving for a dream vacation, building an emergency fund, or even a down payment on a home. The app will analyze your finances, track your progress, and optimize your plan with smart recommendations tailored to you. Most importantly, trust the system and be patient. Automation is designed to take the stress out of managing money, so you can focus on living your life. Don't obsess over daily changes. Let automation quietly work in the background while you go about your day. Check in once a month to track your progress, celebrate small wins, and adjust your goals if needed. Remember, true wealth is built slowly and consistently, not overnight. Every small step adds up over time. Automation ensures you stay on track, no matter what life throws your way, and helps you build financial confidence. Start small, build the habit, and let technology do the heavy lifting for you. Over time, you'll see real results. Your future self will thank you for taking action today and making your financial dreams a reality. Let's bring it back to the core mission. Financial clarity. AI and automation now provide instant insight into your finances. No more spreadsheets or guesswork. You're building a personalized wealth system that runs itself. Automation removes emotional decisions and inconsistency. Compound interest and consistent contributions drive your growth. These tools democratize finance. What was once for the wealthy is now for everyone. Start by automating savings, then explore AI-powered apps. Let smart systems handle the details so you can focus on what matters. This is the path to true financial clarity and freedom. You have the tools. Now put them to work.